Does it have mountain views? Does it have a hot tub? And most of all, can I get a short-term vacation rental license? Those are the three most frequently asked questions we hear from buyers looking to purchase a home in Breckenridge, Colorado. Join me today as I take you on a tour of a home that answers all three of those questions. Located just a few miles south of downtown Breckenridge, we find the Mountain View Subdivision in Blue River. Blue River is a town made up of a collection of subdivisions consisting mostly of single-family homes. The Blue River itself winds right through the Mountain View Subdivision, and owners here in Blue River have exclusive access to Goose Pasture Tarn for boating, fishing, stand-up paddleboarding, so many activities. Hey, it's Pete Deininger with the Breck Life Group, and we're here at 227 Mountain View Drive. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and more than 3,000 square feet of living space. There's an office for those times when you just have to work during your vacation, as well as a spacious loft that serves as a game room and even a 5th sleeping area. And you're gonna love this 3-car garage with RV bay, loads of storage for all your toys, boats, bikes, fishing gear, and stand-up paddle boards. This home is represented by Christian Vallis and myself here at Breck Life Group. I'm very excited to show you this home. Let's take a look. As we enter the home, you'll immediately recognize the classic Colorado styling, which is fitting for this wooded setting. We've got natural stone floors, we've got this rugged moss rock gas fireplace, which is really the centerpiece to the great room, and of course this open floor plan means everyone is a part of the action after a day of play. The kitchen and dining areas are where we naturally gather when we're all together. You'll find ample counter space for happy hour, food prep, and a 5-burner gas range with double oven for that gourmet meal. This central island offers additional seating, and it's right next to the dining area. Let's step outside and take a look at that sunny southern deck. We asked the sellers about their favorite memories here in the home. They shared stories with us of so much time spent out here on this deck. They just love the serenity of this wooded setting. After a day of play on the slopes, they'd come home, make a fabulous meal on the barbecue grill, and then of course spend hours gazing up at the stars from their private hot tub. Let's head back inside to continue our tour. The main level of this home is mostly living area, plus 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Just upstairs, you'll find the primary suite with ensuite bathroom and a very large dual shower. There's also a 3rd bedroom and the office that I mentioned, which doubles as an additional sleeping area. Now let's head upstairs to that spacious loft, take a look at the game room. Whether you're here with a group of adults or a multi-generational family, I like to think of this loft as the great escape. During happy hour, the kids might come up and play shuffleboard or watch a movie, and then when everybody gathers together, this is probably where you'll take in the big game on Sunday. It's spacious, it's got vaulted ceilings, and great natural light. Let's head outside and talk about your adventures. When it's time to ski and ride, you're just going to jump in the car, head a few short minutes back into town for a day of play at the Breckenridge Ski Resort. In the summer, you're just minutes from miles of hiking and biking trails in every direction. You've got paddleboarding on Goose Pasture Tarn, and there's even a cool neighborhood playground with swings and a slide. Well, that wraps up our tour of 227 Mountain View Drive in Blue River. For more information or to schedule your personal tour of this home, give us a call, send a text. We're always here to answer any questions and help guide you in your purchase of a Breckenridge or Summit County home.